Okay guys, let's have a look at Panasonic's new induction hob technology. The fantastic thing about these induction hobs is they're safe, they're clean, they don't heat up the outside of the room because there's no ambient temperature. And also you have Panasonic's new Genius Sensor Plus. It's our own infrared sensor that will actually be able to detect the heat of the pan directly as well as the thickness, and when you throw your ingredients in, it's going to keep you a beautiful constant temperature. And with the Genius Sensor Plus, we can now go all the way down to a beautiful 65 degrees, allowing a really beautiful simmer, as well as going all the way up to a high 230 degrees. It means that your first cooking result will be as good as your end result. Also with the new features, we have our auto boil. So we'd be able to place the pot directly onto the induction hob, set it to boil, and be able to actually walk away if we're distracted. And it will keep the pot boiling at that correct temperature. One of the other nice additions is the pause and play functionality. So for instance, if I'm cooking away at home, and the telephone or the front door goes, rather than turning off the machine, I'll be able to pause the settings, it will stop the cooking process, I'll be able to do exactly what I need to do, whether it answer the door or the telephone, come straight back to the devices, rather than doing all the settings again, hit the play functionality, and it will then start all the cooking process again. And great thing about this, not only is it low temperature and pan frying, we can do shallow and deep fat frying as well. Because of the Genius sensor, it means that you're not going to be able to exceed 300 degrees and cause any pan fires, keeping it nice and safe. And the beautiful design that you've got on these, with the lovely slider arm, means that you're going to be able to keep exact precision cooking whenever need be. In the not too near distant future, Panasonic are going to be releasing a full range of induction hobs as well, with a colour touchscreen. And the beautiful thing about the colour touchscreen is it's going to give you cooking guides. So if you're unsure of the temper that you should be cooking your food at, the colour touchscreen is going to be able to help you out. As well as that, there's also going to be freestyle sections. So rather than having 4 individual places that you need to put a pot, you're going to be able to put pots, pans, teppanyaki trays, and many other devices on the induction hob. So please keep an eye out to a store near you soon to see Panasonic's fantastic range featuring their Genius sensor technology.